Tormek has recently released the US 430 Universal Support. What can you tell us about this?
If you are into a business, sharpening business, and you have to sharpen, for instance, cleavers or a longer knife, and this is not long enough. So we actually made that one so you are able to go higher and also wider. So, more or less this difference.
Yeah, I believe it's about 2 inches more height and about 5 inches longer on the travel.
Correct.
And it also extends out this way, so you have that extended travel on both sides.
It actually is pretty good. I sharpened a really long machete on a trade show and never tried it before, so that was it worked the first time. Super neat.
Great. One of the recent developments in Tormek has been the new packagings of the hand tool kit and the wood turners kit. What can you tell us about those?
We wanted to help people get a little more organized, so to speak. So we made these new boxes for the hand tool kits and the wood turning kit. But also we have different inlays, so you can actually purchase these inlays. So
the insert is available separately as well.
Correctly. So you can buy an empty box, and then you can choose what kind of insert you need for your jigs, or it could also be the top box that comes with the T8. So you have everything boxed like in a system.
Fantastic. And then those inserts fit into the sharpening station as well.
They fit in the sharpening stations. The old ones that came with the sharpening station earlier did not, but actually even in the sharpening stations right now, it comes with this insert. So it's easy just to bring with you if you're traveling somewhere.
Fantastic. More Tormek innovation.